everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 activation error that reads that a critical error occurred while converting genuine authorization tickets on disk licenses. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So generally, this has to do with your internet connection not working properly, and that's why it's not able to sync up to Microsoft servers to validate. So in order to remedy that, you want to go ahead and open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, come back with command prompt, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, and then once that's done, hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with successfully reset the WinSock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And then hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. One final thing we can try here as well. If you open up the search menu and type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that has concluded, close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.